Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to disable background data usage for Gmail on your Android device. This is an essential step if you want to save on data or improve your device's performance. So, let's get started. First, grab your Android device and head to the settings. You can find the Settings app icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on it to open up your device's settings menu. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the Apps option. Give that a tap. This section contains all the applications installed on your device. Now, you'll see a list of apps. Scroll through the list and locate the Gmail app. Tap on it to access its settings. Within the Gmail app settings, look for and select Mobile Data. This will lead you to options related to data usage for this app. Finally, you'll see an option labeled Allow Background Data Usage. Simply toggle this switch off to disable background data for Gmail. And just like that, you're all set. Disabling background data can help you save battery life and manage your data consumption more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.